bunch of his homies are throwing a huge car meet today in LA at the Yours Truly store on Fairfax. I think this car meet's gonna be ridiculous. If you guys remember, I came to the Yours Truly grand opening and there's no parking there. There's so much cars, no parking whatsoever, and they're throwing a car meet here. It's gonna be insane. I think a lot of freaking cars are coming. Everybody's posting about it. Fora himself, all his homies, Fresh Kicks, everybody's posting about it. Yeah guys, we're about 10 minutes away, so let's hurry up and get there and find some parking. This Lexus behind me has some crazy headlights. They were just red a minute ago and then blue, and I think now they're purple. They're pretty sick. Trev's car looks so good with those wheels. I'm so jealous. Look at him airing out. Oh my God, a Supra. Well, there's a lot of cars here already. I don't even know where I'm gonna park. Well guys, there's no type of parking here like I thought. All the street parking is taken. I think I'm on a red zone, but I'm waiting because I think this is where all the homies are gonna park. I could possibly squeeze in there. All right guys, we made it. We got us at the parking lot. The homie Anthro let us in. His GTR looking fire. This shit's perfect, bro, with the fat tire on the back. Goals. And we got this one. Old school and new school. Which one would you guys take? You never see one of these ever. Damn, dude. That thing slammed. Bro, there's so many cars out here. What's up, bro? Woo. Bruh. R34, a Supra, and then an R35 GTR. Goals. Another GTR. I want one. Or that. That'll be sick too. This shit's so fire. Bro, those headlights are crazy. Look at this splitter. It's huge, dude. That's the biggest splitter I've ever seen. I think the taillights are probably my favorite. Look how sick that is, bro. Guys, the homie wants me to sign his steering wheel, but it's too pretty. All carbon fiber, bro? You sure?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, let's do it.
There you go, bro. Yeah. Man, that's
Damn! That's dope, dude.
Hell yeah.
Look at that shit, guys. That's the first steering wheel I've signed, bro.
Yeah?
Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
And I like your car, dog. Look at this E36.
Yeah.
Woo! M3? All stock? It looks clean all stock and white. My next car, bro. Woo! That one's sick. Man, Ryan brought the GTR out. Woo! Sick ass food. The whole crew just pulled up. I think it's West Bank's McLaren. This thing is freaking insane. Oh, we got a helicopter. Bro, the cops are not happy. 3 cop cars right there, and there's more circling around. We had a helicopter. Bro, it's so freaking loud. guys, thanks for watching another video. Right now I'm on my way to my homie's shop. Today we're gonna be doing our yearly oil change. Guys, I have such a bad habit of not changing this oil on time. I don't even want to tell you guys how many miles I've been overdue. But today we're gonna get the oil change done and over with, and then start adding more miles onto the car. I can't wait because after I do an oil change, I feel so relieved. Like, oh, finally. We made it. Woo. Alright guys, so this is a kit I bought from ECS. It comes with a filter and all the oil that we need. I think it was like 150 bucks. This isn't too bad, but that's how much an oil change costs. Alright, we got the 2 drain plugs out. 1 and 2. But the oil looks black, dog. That's not good. Oh, I just put oil on. Oh my god. Rick, dude. Come on, Rick. Bruh, I just got oil in my camera. That's not good. In the lens, when I was trying to show you guys that last clip. Old drain plugs, and we got some new ones. Mine were all stripped, so I had to get some new ones. New filter. What is it, a new gasket? We had to put it on rotors because the car's just way too low. Even aired up. Too low. Ooh. I got it.
Now drop the oil that's in there, like in there.
Look at this before and after. That one used to look like this, believe it or not. And now it's all freaking black and moldy. I don't even know. Guys, look how much oil this car freaking takes. We're gonna start from, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 quarts. Actually 8.5. I only put half of this, but 8.5, that's how much this car takes. And we're done. Finally, an oil change on the E92. It was definitely needed. Alright, you guys ready? Yeah. Alright guys, we got my cousin Sophie here. Hey. You've never been in the car, huh?
Never been in the car.
So I'm gonna take her for a ride, and we got Celeste's little sisters here. They've been in the car before, but I'm gonna take them all for a ride because she really wants to go. Take a little roller coaster. So my cousin came over and I thought I'd give him a little ride or something. I don't know what vlog this is going in. I'm probably gonna just throw this into one of my vlogs, but yeah, they're here. Everyone put your seatbelts on. Yeah. And keep your hands and feet in the car at all times. I'm gonna just take them up the street or something. My car's slow. I'm telling you guys.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not.
You won't drop it. Just hold it like this.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey, come on. I'm pulling my head.
Cops show up. It's not that bad. It's just loud. What do you guys think?
Oh my god, that was cool. It was fast.
Bro, imagine if I get a GTR.
Time for car number 2. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
Go follow me on Instagram at Sophia_Royal_06.
Hey.
Follow me on Instagram. It's just _Ariana.
Hey. And Jalissa, hey!
And go follow Nick because he's amazing.
That was fun. That was sick, guys. I really wanted to take them for a ride in the M3. They always ask me to go for a ride, and they always ask to be in a video, so I had to do it for them.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is